For many years in my adult life, I would ask myself, when am I gonna grow up? When am I going to get my life together? And I just felt like maybe one day in my 40s, something would just click and I would get it all together. That didn't happen. Hey guys, welcome to my home. Today, I'm not teaching, so we're gonna be checking some things off my to-do list together. I'm thrilled to share with you how I organize my life with Notion, who thankfully is also today's sponsor, and how I've been using Notion over the past several months. It has completely changed the game for me and helped me to gather all of these different things that I have, like calendars and notebooks, and then be able to put them all in one place so that I'm not forgetting things, at least not as much as I used to. I put everything from my everyday to my work life in Notion, and it's November, so we know Christmas is right around the corner. I'm gonna have less time. We're going on a big Europe trip soon, so it is time to catch up on some much needed work. So let's start off with my to-do list, and we're gonna hop onto Notion now. You guys have asked me so many times how I organize my calendar and my life outside of teaching, and this is exactly how I get it done. When I first jump on, I'm gonna go to my daily planner and I'm gonna click on my to-do list. I love how I can highlight highest priority and check the date, when it's due, and also the status. That really helps my brain as somebody with ADHD and I'm constantly forgetting things. This helps to remind me what I actually need to get done. So let's grab my notebook and start writing down what the high priority items are. So on here I have my family calendar and I have my work calendar, so I have it all in one place and I can easily see anything from, I got dog shots for both of my dogs coming up and a birthday party for my daughter, gymnastics, but also there are things work related that I need to get done this week. So we're gonna put all of that on my to-do list. So in the morning, I do a little reflection. It takes me 3 seconds. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but honestly, it helps me to refocus myself in the morning right when I'm getting started. How am I feeling today? How did I wake up? Am I feeling hopeful and confident? If not, what can I do about it? All right, from looking at my checklist, I can see that I need to finish filming a video and then I need to start scripting. So let's go have some fun. Organizing your life is such a daunting task as an adult. I think one of my favorite quotes is, "I don't want to be adulting today." And basically that's how I feel every day. All that being said, I need to get back onto the checklist. So let's see what we have next. The next biggest priority I have going on needs to be script writing. So I'm gonna go back into Notion because I've already started a script from a book that I recently just read and I really wanna dig a little more into it. So this is my big ideas bank that I add to all of the time when I wake up in the middle of the night and I think of something awesome I wanna talk about. So as we're diving into a little bit of script writing here, I had this amazing idea. It's called the Tetris Theory. I'm going to be doing a video on it soon. I recently read a book by Adam Grant, which I'm gonna go rent it from the library again because I listened to it and now I just need to physically read it. But he talked about the Tetris Theory and I just completely connected with this idea. But what I wanna do now is I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna be looking for how I can add some more research. Okay, so as we're digging in a little bit deeper, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the new Notion AI. And all this does is it tells me all the information that I am looking for. I can ask her, I call her Linda, very specific information. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in something like, show me more research based on the Tetris theory. And she will quickly pull up several different studies exactly with what I need. Now, I don't think I'm ever going to become a teacher of meditation, but what I have found is that for many years, I never meditated because I thought it was just something that I didn't need or was a waste of my time. And ever since I've started putting in just like 5 to 10-minute meditations, they might be hard for my brain to get into, but once I do, they are the most relaxing thing. It's kind of like, why do I fight getting into the shower? I don't know. But once I actually get into the shower, I never want to get back out. That's kind of how meditation is for me. And most days, all I do is I just notice things. I notice thoughts that are coming in, and then I just push them back out. And I do that over and over again until I don't hear any voices anymore. And then I try to listen to the different ways that my body feels. Often it helps me to take life into perspective that I can only control myself. And what do they call that? The locus of control. I can only control what I am around and myself. And so sometimes I can't even control what I'm around, but I can control how I feel about something and I can control my actions. But really only through meditation and taking the time to practice noticing my feelings is the only way I've been able to slow my brain down enough to realize what's going on, I guess, in my body. All right, we're going to go ahead and go back to the main work center. Because I have some subbing jobs coming up, I'm not going to have a lot of time to get all this stuff done. So days like today, I really need to make sure that I'm going back and checking on what I have to get done today while I have some of that free time. But after that and answering some emails, I am going to go ahead and do some of the fun stuff, which is to go out and get a gift for the birthday party that we're going to very soon, and also try and fit in a walk. I used to be terrified of this aisle until I realized that my Target hack is that I just don't get a cart. And if I don't get a cart and I only use my hands, I will definitely leave with a lot more of what I need and a lot less of what I want. All right, while I'm still sitting here in the parking lot, I went ahead and got a notebook and some spelling markers and a keychain lip gloss for the little girl's birthday party that we are going to. I love giving these kind of gifts. These are my favorite because one, you use them up, and if she's anything like my daughter, a notebook and markers are always a go-to and a love. So hopefully she will enjoy this little squishiness. He's so cute. Something I literally just figured out was that Notion has an app that you can put on your phone. I don't know how I missed that. I just added it on my phone. I went through and checked to make sure that I was on track for my daily habits, which I am. I'm drinking my water. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna do a quick walk so that I have my exercise in. I've already done my meditation. And while I am heading home, I am going to listen to the book that I have been talking about because I finished it and I'm listening to it again. So let's go. Woo! Hello, buddy. All right, hopefully it's not too overpowering. Obviously, my dog Blue is completely exhausted by that walk. So, and now as we are wrapping up today, I am gonna get ready to pick up my daughter very soon. I just wanted to go down and check and go through my daily to-do list so I can check anything that I'm actually done with and move around what the priorities are for the next day that I have a day without subbing. I will know what my first priority needs to be. So I'm gonna go through and do this, and I'm then gonna do a little reflection at the end and head out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my favorite way to close out any of my days when I am working, and that is to write down one thing that I learned. And what I learned today is that Notion has an app that you can put on your phone. I had been using it on my computer. I had never even thought about using it on my phone until I was out and I wanted to look at my daily list. So right here where it says what I learned new today, I'm gonna go ahead and put Notion has an app I can have on my phone. But if you enjoy learning about organizing your life, decluttering your life, or living a simpler life, then I bet you're gonna love one of these videos right here, and I will see you guys again very soon.